Ielts speaking part 2.
Now, I'm going to give you a topic. And I would like you to talk about it 1 to 2 minutes. Before you talk, you will have 1 minute to think about what you say, and also you can make notes if you wish. Do you understand?
Yes.
And here is your topic. I would like to talk about a time when you were lost in a new place.
After 1 minute.
Alright, your time is up. Can you start speaking now?
Yes. There are always two kinds of people in this world. One, who like to stay indoors and relax on their couch, watching Netflix. And then there is the second category of people, who like to go outdoors and explore new places. I fall under the latter category, at least now. I love to go on hikes and adventures, or anything which is thrilling. While most of the times these adventures are safe, and in a controlled environment, sometimes things can go haywire. Not long ago, I went to a famous paragliding spot, 20 kilometers away from where I reside. But, what was supposed to be a fun experience, turned into something else. As me and my instructor jumped from the edge of the mountain, and were almost in the middle of our flight, there was a strong wind, which carried us in a direction we did not plan to go to. The force of the wind was so strong that we were forced to land immediately into a geographical area we were not familiar with. As these sports are carried out mostly in dense mountains, we noticed we had landed in an area where there was no sign of human life, and only the footprints of some animals could be seen on the ground. With no phone connectivity, I was really now getting into a panic mode, as I also could not fully trust the instructor who was with me, as he too was a stranger. Luckily, I had some protein bars in the many pockets of my cargo pants, which helped in keeping my stomach full. Remember, I told you about the category of people who watch Netflix at home. I also used to be one of them a long time ago, and once I watched a show about surviving in a wild place. It said, whenever we are lost in such a place, all we need to do is follow the river. And I did exactly that. And I am not sure if that was my mind playing tricks or real, but it wasn't just me and the instructor moving towards the river. I heard a lot of animals following us. It was scary, but fortunately we made it. The river led us to the nearest camping site, where we used a satellite phone to connect back to our people. Later that night, I couldn't stop laughing, thinking this could literally have been my last day.
Okay. Thank you. This is the end of your speaking part 2. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.